It's like deja vu, seeing a Tesla right in the spot being tinted. It's a great deja vu. Tesla Model 3 in, we're tinting every single window, getting it ready for the summertime if we ever are able to get out. Dustin, I can see you at home, Beats headphones on your computer, making beats, and you're like, I gotta make beats. I'm gonna be a producer one day, Mom. Oh, that is menacing. Volta side skirts are installed, so let's take a quick look. Definitely much more subtle on a black Model 3 than it is on a white one because carbon fiber has black accents and the Model 3 is black, so it just blends right in pretty well. Great addition to the front lip spoiler, so once we get the rear diffuser put on, we'll finally have the full kit installed. So the reason why we have this car in today is that we're actually getting ready to clear out the full front end. So the hood, fenders, bumper, mirrors, all that good stuff. Yo, look at the seats though, guys. Carbon fiber backing on the seats. There's even carbon fiber here too by the door handles. This is really nice actually. That is a nice freaking hood. We have a Lexus in today. We're gonna be doing a tint on all the windows. What film are we doing, Dustin?
Why are you yelling?
I don't know, I need just some more depth to my vlogs. I said, what film we doing, Dustin? Dustin, you know for the mask to work, you have to put it over the mouth.
I've never worn a mask before.
What are you doing, bro?
Just finished this Model 3 mirror wrap right here.
Oh, you took it apart?
Yeah.
Wait, you actually wrapped this?
Yeah.
Dude! It looks like one solid piece.
Yeah, it's clean lines.
Yo, that looks like a Model Y mirror. That's how good it is. We need to clap for Sean right now. Hold up. Can't clap and hold the camera, so I'm gonna do it with one hand.
Looks like he's good at his job. Wow. Is this floating?
Ah!
You ready? What time is it? 2:41.
2:41.
Give me 2 minutes, I'm gonna pee.
That was in there. I want to show you this Tesla Model 3. Looks stock because it is, but ow. Once we're done with it, it will not be stock. We're actually doing quite a bit of things to this thing. We're gonna be satin guarding the whole car. This gloss white is gonna be matte satin, translucent white. You guys have seen it before. We're actually lowering the thing as well with Novitec lowering springs. And to top it off, we're actually gonna be putting 21-inch Vorsteiner wheels on this Model 3.
Oh, yo, nice. Tesla, open hood. Dude,
Novitec.
I was just curious.
Novitec. Why'd you pick Novitec? Novitec lowering springs for the Tesla Model 3. So for those of you who are interested in the springs for your Tesla, the Novitec springs will lower your Model 3 by about 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters, you're looking at about 1.2 inches, give or take, maybe more, maybe less. But the great thing is you're gonna get a nice moderate height, which is good because it'll be noticeable. At the same time, it's not gonna be getting too crazy, which is what you want. Telaku touch 10. Are you expecting to get this done today?
Yeah.
Oh.
I need you to pull down on this. Release spring tightener and remove spring. Insert the spring distance kit between spring and spring seat.
Why are you smiling?
I'm just thinking about Tiger King, bro.
I feel like you have a really abnormal obsession over it now.
I have a slight obsession.
Dustin was just laughing to himself about Tiger King. He was just laughing by himself.
Can't write that story.
Is Tiger King the most excitement you've had in a while?
Yeah. Look, it almost like that even better. 1.6. All right, come up more.
We're getting ready to switch out the OEM wheels with the Vorsteiner 109. All right, so a quick in progress update. Novitec lower springs are put on, as you can see. Vorsteiner 109s and 21-inch wheels are put on. We changed the center caps from the red ones to the black ones, so it's a little bit more subtle. Next is the alignment, as well as wrapping the whole car in satin guard. Let's keep on going. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I will see you guys next time.